sinulog yung, nasunog o sinulog yung mga dito. Anyway, one, actually we got, again, another tweet, this time retweeted from PCIJ.org, quoting, Public Information Director James Jimenez, saying that further extension of voting hours unlikely, not needed. The polls will remain closed, won't be closed as long as there are voting. So I guess many of the dates that will be filed by Nelly Colmenares, by Muna, as well as maybe of the Ambassador Ernesto Maceda of the PNP.